What is steel, and how is it made? These questions might seem straightforward, but they hide a fascinating process of transformation and innovation. Today, we delve into the world of steel, a material that has shaped civilizations for centuries. Steel, in its simplest form, is an alloy of iron and carbon. Yet it is more than just a blend of elements. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of transformation. The journey of steel starts deep within the earth in iron ore mines. Iron ore, a rock rich in iron, is extracted from the earth's crust. This iron ore is a raw, unrefined material, and to transform it into steel, it must first become iron. This transformation happens in a blast furnace, a towering structure that reaches temperatures of over 2,000 degrees Celsius. Inside this furnace, iron ore, coke, a form of carbon, and limestone are combined. The intense heat triggers a series of chemical reactions that strip away impurities and leave behind molten iron. But this molten iron is not yet steel. To become steel, it must go through a process called oxidation. This happens in a basic oxygen furnace, where oxygen is blasted into the molten iron, burning away excess carbon. The result is steel, a strong, versatile material that forms the backbone of our modern world. Steel is everywhere. It is in the skyscrapers that pierce the sky, the cars on our roads, the appliances in our homes, and the tools in our hands. Its strength, durability, and versatility make it an indispensable part of our lives. Yet the story of steel doesn't end there. Steel is endlessly recyclable, meaning it can be melted down and reshaped without losing its qualities. This makes steel not just a material of the present, but also a material of the future, playing a crucial role in a sustainable circular economy. So, what have we discovered? Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon, born from a process of intense heat and careful refinement. It is a material that is as versatile as it is strong, shaping our world in countless ways. And with its recyclability, steel stands as a symbol of sustainability, promising a future where resources are used wisely and waste is minimized. The story of steel is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of transformation. It is a story that reminds us of the incredible things we can achieve when we harness the raw materials of our world. And so the next time you see a skyscraper, a car, or even a simple tool, remember the journey of steel. From the depths of the earth to the heights of our cities, it is a journey that tells the story of human innovation and the power of transformation. This is the story of steel, a story of strength, versatility, and sustainability. A story that continues to unfold, shaping our world in ways we can only imagine.